How y'all doing today? So check us out. We got a big one. This one's special. Shout out to my boys and my family at Made For You, because they booked us today. So shout out to you guys. So we're doing a good one. This one's for the kids. They got a daycare going on over here. So we're taking out their whole yard, all the grass, taking the soil down 2 to 4 inches. They're gonna build a big play area for the kids over here. Then we're knocking out all the concrete here, concrete on the other side, and we're just getting things done over here. So check us out, 24-hour junk. That's how we get down. You get something good for the grass. You know about this?
I never even seen this.
You're learning every day. You learn something new all the time. Just cuts the grass up in 12-inch pieces. Just going over it. You just pick it up right after. You're gonna put it into that blue bin. Sweets for my guys. I'm like, that one. That was sick. Trying to lose weight. Man, you need to put some weight on, bro. Some muscle, bro. What you need?
Thank you.
Yeah.